How to copy Excel sheet to another Excel file without losing layout and format. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open both the Excel, one with blank file and one with the file. After that, simply drag your mouse all the way down till your files. After you select it, right-click on it and click on Copy at the top. After you have done that, open the second Excel page, which is the blank page. In here, click on any cell and right-click on it. After you have right-clicked on it, you'll find Paste option. Click on Paste, which is the first option. You can also click on Ctrl plus V on your keyboard, and as you can see, everything is pasted without changing any format or layout. This is how to copy Excel sheet to another Excel file without losing layout and format. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.